Most of our core beliefs, including limiting core beliefs, were formed during childhood. One of the most common limiting beliefs people have is, I'm not good enough. When you believe you're not good enough, you engage with people in a different way than if you believe you are good enough. The energy is very different, and it can show up in a variety of ways. Your beliefs shape your experiences. You could also have this belief in one area of your life and not in another. For example, one of the ways this I'm not good enough belief showed up in my life was when I unintentionally manifested romantic relationships where I wasn't valued or treated with respect. One of the things I found myself working on over and over again was this anger and upset I had about being treated like garbage. I felt like I was disrespected and then tossed in the trash and forgotten about, like I didn't matter. Because it was a recurring theme that came up in more than one relationship, I knew it had to be related to something deeper. I discovered that these feelings and limiting belief mostly stemmed from several traumatic events that occurred during my birth and early infancy. Then I used tapping and matrix reimprinting, which is another way of using tapping, to heal my experiences and transform my beliefs. You see, we are born with unlimited potential and the power to make our dreams a reality, except most of us are not raised to believe this to be true. Through socialization and taking on other people's limiting beliefs, or when bad things happen to us, we may accept limiting beliefs about ourselves, which offers a perspective that can shape our future experiences. One of the most effective ways to transform limiting beliefs is to apply tapping to the specific events, especially childhood events, that initially trigger them. Tapping, when effectively applied to specific events, has a generalization effect and allows the limiting belief to fall away. This results in you recognizing your unlimited potential and the power you have in creating the reality you desire. You can do this with some practice, heal anxiety, trauma, and painful memories, and transform your beliefs to empowering ones that will help you manifest the relationships and life you desire.